Hi, and welcome to this Open SDG tutorial on automating site rebuilds. This tutorial will show you how to configure your repository so that your site automatically rebuilds whenever you make a change to your data. Without this, you will need to manually trigger a site rebuild every time you want a data change to show on your platform. Before you start this tutorial, you will need to have already created an Open SDG platform. See the video linked below for a tutorial on how to set up a platform. No technical expertise are needed to complete this tutorial, as step-by-step guidance will be provided. Let's get started. We will start by creating an access token. On Github, click on your user icon and select Settings. Scroll down and in the left sidebar, click Developer Settings. On the next page, click Personal Access Tokens in the sidebar and then click Generate New Token in the top right corner. You may need to confirm your password here for security purposes. Name your token, set your expiration period, and select the repo scope. Note, you will need to recreate the token each time it expires, so you should set the expiration period accordingly. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Generate Token. On the next page, copy the token as we will use it in the next steps. Next, we will add the access token as a secret to both the site repository and the data repository, using the same steps for each. Let's start with the site repository, so navigate there. Under the repository name, click Settings. In the left sidebar, click Secrets, and then click New Repository Secret. Under Name, type Token, all in lowercase. Then under Value, paste in the access token you copied earlier. Now click the green Add Secret button. Now we will carry out the exact same steps for the data repository, so navigate there. Under the repository name, click Settings, and in the left sidebar, click Secrets. Click New Repository Secret. Under Name, type Token, all lowercase. Under Value, paste in the access token you copied earlier, and then click the green Add Secret button. Now that the access token has been added as a secret to both repositories, we will configure the workflows. Staying in the data repository, go to the Workflows folder and click on Deploy to Staging.yaml. Click the pencil to edit the file. In line 53, swap staging_organization for the name of your organization. So in this case, it will be open-sdg-tutorials. Similarly, swap staging_site_repository for the name of your staging site repo. So in this case, it will be tutorials-site. Note, depending on when you created your OpenSDG platform, the line number might be slightly different. Towards the right, click Start Commit. Select Create a new branch for this commit and start a pull request. Beneath this, click Propose Changes, and then click on the Create Pull Request button. Wait a moment to see the message that says Test PRs, Test Pull Request in progress. Then wait until you see all checks have passed. This can take up to about 5 minutes. Once the checks have passed, click on the green Merge Pull Request button. Click Confirm Merge, and then you can delete the branch. Now that you have set up triggered builds, anytime a change is made to your data, your site will automatically rebuild, meaning the changes will be displayed almost immediately without any manual steps needed. This is the end of the tutorial. You should now be able to set up triggered builds. To learn more, check out our other videos or visit our website at open-sdg.org.